Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Welcome to our online class. Listen, children. Now the second chapter addition going on. The addition has some properties is there. So we will discuss the properties. What are the properties in addition? Okay, children. Now the first property, addition of 1. What is that? Addition of 1. When 1 is added to a number, the sum is the successor of that number. Are you remember the successor word? Yeah, successor means what? After number. Successor means after number. So, when 1 is added to a number, any number you add with 1, the sum is successor of that number means what? Then the after number of the given number. Listen children, here 200 plus 1, you get 201. So, after 200 after number what? 201. So you add plus 1, you get successor of that number. 199 plus 1, you get 200. Here listen, 1998 plus 1, you get 1999, the successor of the number. Are you okay children? This is one of the property. Then another property, addition of 0. What is the first property? Addition of 1. Now addition of 0. Addition of 0 means when 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. What is that? When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. What is the meaning of number itself? Means the same number. When you add to a 0 with any number, you get the same number. That is the meaning of the number itself. Are you okay children? Listen, 648 plus 0. You get the answer 648, the number itself, the same number. All the one we have to same meaning, okay? So, any number add with 0, you get the number itself. Okay, 714 plus 0 equal to what? 714. 1257 plus 0 equal to 1257. So, this is another property children. First addition of 1, then addition of 0. Then the third property, order property of addition. Order property of addition. Numbers can be added in any order. The sum will remain the same. What is the meaning of that order? Nothing but 2 plus 3 equal to what children? 2 plus 3, 5. The same 3 plus 2. I change the order. First I tell what number? 2 plus 3. Now 3 plus 2. Answer is 5. So, you change in any order, your sum will be remain the same. That is the meaning of that order property. So, you change any order, your answer is same. Okay children. Now listen the sum. 175 plus 308 equal to 483. Then 308 plus 175 equal to 483. Answer is same. Order only change. Here 175 I written in the first place. Then the next I move on to the second one. So the order will be changed. Your answer is the same. That is the order property of addition. Are you okay children? Now move on to the next property. Grouping property of addition. Grouping means what is that? Your friends group. How many in your group? How many friends in your group? 4 friends. Okay, so that is group. More than one, if the members is called as a group. So here grouping property means what? You can group 3 or more numbers in any way to add. Listen the word children. In any way to add, the sum will remain the same. In group means listen. I give one sums here. The 3 numbers here. 5, 6, 7. You want to add these 3. First you add 5 plus 6. This is called one group. Okay. 5 plus 6. You call, what is your answer? 11. Then plus this 7. 11 plus 7, 18. Okay. Here look at here. 5 I write in alone. 6 plus 7 I make a group. So 5 plus this 6 plus 7 what? 13. 5 plus 13, 18. So I change the group. But the answer is the same. Here one more group listen. 6 I take it alone. 5 plus 7 let's make it as a group. Okay children. Now 6 plus this 5 plus 7 what? 12. So 12 plus 6 18. So you change any way to add in the group of the numbers. The answer should be the same. That is the grouping property of addition. Are you okay, children? So 4 property. What are the property? All the one tell me. Addition of 1, addition of 0, order property of addition. Then one more word. Grouping property of addition. This is the property of addition, children. Now this property using you want to exercise 2.4. Listen, write the missing number. Write the missing number. Listen carefully, children. Here 7589 plus dash. You give the answer the same number. So what will be come in the dash? So which number you want to add the number? The answer should be the number itself. What you want to add? What property is applied for here? Addition of 0. Because addition of 0, you make it here 0. The same number is the answer. Are you okay? Now, what is your answer? Here, the dash. This is the addition of 0 property, children. So, any number you add with a 0, you get the number itself. Are you okay? You get the number itself. Move on to the next property here. 2506 plus 1734 equal to 1734 here. So, what will be there? Come to the next dash. Listen, this is what? Change of order. Here this is the first number. Here this is second number. But after equal, the second number come to front mean. So what is that? In the first number, move on to the next. This is the order property of addition. Are you okay? Now what number you want to hear? Two thousand 500 6. Are you okay, children? This is what property you have to apply here. Order property of addition. Are you okay? Now move on to the next sum, children. Listen here. 4526 plus dash here. So the answer is what? 4527. The successor of the given number. This answer is the successor of the given number. How do you get the successor of the number? By adding 1. By adding 1. So what do you hear? By plus 1. Are you okay? Now move on to the next question. If 2472, listen carefully, plus 528 equal to 3000. You get the answer 3000 here. Then 528 plus 2472. So what is the answer? Here look at the question. The order will be changed. Order will be changed. Here order only changed. But answer is what? The same answer. So here 3000. So here also what? 3000. So your answer is here 3000. Write the 3000, children. Write the question neatly. Are you okay? Then move on to the fifth sum here. If 1125 plus 125. This is inside the bracket plus 750. So what is this? 3 numbers. How many numbers here? 3 numbers. You add 2000. Then the first number write in alone, remaining the 2 numbers as a group. So what is the property here? Grouping property. What property? Grouping property. You change the grouping but answer is the same. So here the answer 2000 means this is also a 2000. So your right answer is here also 2000. This is grouping property of addition. How many properties, children? 4. How many properties is there? 4 property. Now look at here. 1257 plus 203 plus 5124 equal to, here listen carefully, 203 here, 1257 here. What will be the dash answer? Which one is missing in this group? That is the answer of this dash. So listen, this number only you have to miss out. So you want to write this here, 5124. Are you okay, children? This is the addition property of addition. Are you okay? Now listen, children. One more I explain the properties of addition. What are the properties? Already I said 4 property. One is addition of 1, another addition of 0. Then what is the third property? Order property of addition. Order property of addition. Then the last one, grouping property of addition. Are you okay, children? You remember this property. You have to answer of the exercise 2.4. Okay. Thank you, children. See you tomorrow.